Hi, everybody. Right now you will learn how to get the maximum bonus at the 1xBet bookmaker. There are several types of registration available here. Well, I'll probably register in one click to make it clearer to you. We are starting to register. Fill in all the main fields and move on to the most interesting. Click on the bonuses button, and two types of bonuses are available to us here. The first is a bonus for sports betting, which is credited to sports events. You can get up to $400 for this. Suitable for those who like to bet on hockey, football, and similar sports. Next we have the second one, a bonus for casino plus 1x games. Do you like to play 1x spin slot machines in a casino? Then you can safely choose it. For this, you will receive up to $2,000 on your first deposit and more than 100 free spins. Now the most basic. This is a promo code that will give you all the previously listed bonuses. The promo code Xanos24 for receiving all these bonuses will be in the description and in the comments. Confirm all the checkboxes and register. Make your first deposit and get all these buns using the promo code Xanos24. I repeat, the promo code Xanos24 will be in the description or in the pinned comment. Successful victories, my friend.